Yeah, they'll fail. Right, let's set it again.
I don't know if this has sand or not. It should do.
And then all of a sudden away it goes.
Lift it up and down. Yeah, balanced out. No, it doesn't.
And it starts again.
Ground balancing it out. That's how it should. But there's not a target there, it's just what it's doing.
So now it's just going to go stupid again where it won't.
Just won't balance out. Just keep doing it up and down slowly, don't touch the ground. I have to be 10 centimetres up. There we go.
So there it is, it's done it again.
Just move around, see if there is anything there or not.
Line up. Settle back down, see? You see it won't ground bounce back out.
No, it just won't balance out.